today is the candle holder. Now, the first thing you need to do is measure it 10 inches from the end of the wood to your line that you're cutting on. You want to make sure your line is lined up with the saw blade so you can make an even cut. Always keep your hands 4 inches from the blade. Alright, so normally you wouldn't have to do this, but since we got a piece of wood that is warped, we're going to have to run it through the planer to make sure we get a nice even flat edge so it's smooth. So first of all, we're going to use this to make sure we can make it all the way through instead of just the regular board, which is a little too short. We're going to turn it on. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take off these edges to make them flat and angled. So what we're going to do is we've already angled our saw to the right degree, and now we're going to go ahead and make our cut. Alright, why don't you grab the board and hold it? Why don't you grab the board? Alright, what was it? Alright. The angle we're cutting at is 31.6. Now you got right there, don't have me. Alright, you guys ready? Everybody has their safety vests on?
Will go. You need to use the table saw, line it up with the measurement. Make sure that it's only as high as you want it compared to the board.
You need to talk louder.
The side of the board where the legs will go, you need to use a table saw. Now, you need to check the height of the table saw and where it'll go to in your board. Measure it on the sides so that you can see when you're cutting. Line it up, make sure it hits right on the line, and you're good. Okay. Oh, it's not plugged in. Plug it in.
Alright, so now we're making the legs for our candle holder. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make the legs by cutting a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, my bad, off the edge of the wood. So as you can see, we made our line already. Now you want to make sure your bandsaw's straight and everything's ready to cut. Looks like we're in good condition. So now, Donkey's gonna come over here and go for it.
For the hole that you put the candle in, you have to use the drill press. So line it up with your hole, get the right bit, turn it on, and go down. Make sure your hands are 4 inches away. Alright, would you mind holding on the other side? No, the other side.
I got this side.
go too fast for you.
Somebody said we don't need to.
About 12 according to
You don't have to film this entire thing, dude.
Okay, that's good.
So he has something to do.
So right here, as you can see, is the finished product. Got the underside looking clean. Got some nice pretty cracks there, makes it look antique-ish. Legs are even. In there good. Sides are cut. Give it a nice clean edge. The holes in the top, drilled to perfection. So there you have it. Finished candle holder.